In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best fishing cameras available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the fishing cameras list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the fishing cameras mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Erchang 7 Infrared Ice Fishing Cam. The Erchang 7-inch underwater fishing camera features 24 infrared lights and a 15 waterproof cable, delivering clear images in dark or icy waters. Its large screen ensures easy viewing during winter fishing trips. Built for durability and precision, it's the ultimate companion for ice fishing enthusiasts looking for professional-grade visibility and fish detection under harsh conditions. Discover the underwater world with unmatched clarity and control. Number 4. HD Vision 4.3-inch/5 Fishing Finder Cam. This HD Vision fishing camera features a bright 4.3 or 5 screen for real-time underwater monitoring. Equipped with night vision, it captures clear footage up to 50 meters deep. The durable waterproof design ensures lasting use in both saltwater and freshwater. With multiple cable length options, it's perfect for anglers who want to explore deeper fishing zones with confidence. See the unseen and reel in your next big catch with ease. Number 3. FishShape 1200 TVL Night Vision Cam. The 1200 TVL FishShape underwater camera provides vivid, high-resolution visuals with 12 powerful LED lights for night fishing. Its fish-shaped design reduces disturbance, ensuring natural fish movement visibility. Waterproof and built for extreme conditions, it's great for ice and boat fishing. The long cable options make it versatile and easy to use for any fishing adventure. Get the perfect view beneath the surface every time. Number 2. IPS HD 4.3 Fishing Camera Pro. This IPS HD underwater fishing camera features a crisp 4.3-inch display and a wide 220 degrees viewing angle. With waterproof protection and powerful night vision, it's perfect for all fishing conditions. Available in cable lengths up to 50 m, it helps detect fish activity clearly. Designed for reliability and precision, it's ideal for both boat and ice fishing enthusiasts seeking superior underwater performance. Experience fishing like never before with real-time clarity. Number 1. UltraClear Night Vision Fishing Cam. The UltraClear underwater fishing camera offers exceptional visibility with a waterproof design and advanced night vision. Ideal for winter or deep-sea fishing, it delivers ultra-clear images of fish and underwater environments. With a durable build and bright LED lights, this camera helps anglers spot targets even in dark or murky water, perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. A must-have tool for improving your fishing success.